Hi everyone, and welcome back to another review with Misty Vapor. We're going to continue with Storm Cloud. Storm Cloud you can find at www.stormcloudvapors.com. And the flavor up for review is called Pagan Juice. This is also 6 milligram. Come on, top cap, come off. So let's drip this and we'll taste it. All of her juice is Max VG. Okay. There's yays and nays about this particular juice with me. The pineapple that's in this juice is a yay. I really like the pineapple she uses. But there is another flavor in there, and I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it does not agree with my flavor profile. This would not be one that I particularly would vape. She says, when me and her were talking about this juice, you know, she asked me if I had tried him and stuff, and I was like, yeah. And I told her I didn't like the Pagan juice. And one that I really like that I don't want to spoil it, but that's coming up, is another one from her line, and you'll see it in the review, and I'll talk about this a little more. She said those that like this one, this particular juice, does not like the Pagan juice. Those that like the Pagan don't seem to like the purple. Oops, see, I'm ruining it. It's called Purple People Eater. I will be reviewing it next. So, I don't know what it is about this flavor. It's just not one that I would particularly vape. I still recommend it. I really like the pineapple flavor in it, but there's another flavor in there that just, it does not like my flavor profile. It's just not in my, it's not in my range of flavor profiles about this particular juice. So remember, go check her out. The website again is www.stormcloudvapors.com. And like I say, let her know Misty Vapor sent you. And vape on.